2 of 4 men killed in an early morning shooting in Central Village, St. Catherine have been identified. They are Justin McGregor, otherwise called AK Man, and Mark Ellis, also known as Frosty T. The other 2 deceased men have only been identified through their aliases Otterman and Mento. The bodies of the men were found at the rear of a house in the Chinatown area of Windsor Heights at approximately 3 a.m. According to Senior Superintendent in charge of Corporate Communications for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Stephanie Lindsay, the men were killed as a result of internal gang feud. Intelligence on the ground suggests that it is possible that there is an internal feud between the Jaggy Jaggy gang. One of the things they are looking at is very recent occurrence where the original leader of the gang, who was in custody for some time, was acquitted and returned to the community last week Wednesday. Since then, there has been heightened tension. AK Man was the leader of the gang up to the time of his demise, Lindsay said. She has also noted that in recent times, men from the Chinatown community have formed alliances with men from the Gardentown community, which has led to an increase in unrest in the area. 1 man is dead after sustaining injuries in a 4-vehicle collision on the Discovery Bay Main Road in St. Ann on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as 32-year-old Donovan Thomas, a security guard of Miggle Buxton in the parish. According to the police, the collision involved a white Toyota Corolla driven by Thomas, a silver Mitsubishi Pajero, a white Toyota Coaster, and a green Honda Civic motor car. Lawmen report that around 6:15 p.m. Thomas was traveling along the thoroughfare when he lost control of his vehicle and collided with the Toyota Coaster, which caused the other 2 vehicles to crash. The fire brigade and police were called to the scene, and upon their arrival, Thomas and the occupants of the other vehicles were taken to hospital. Thomas later succumbed. An alleged eyewitness said the incident happened due to the wet condition of the road.